Good morning students, welcome to online class. How are you dear students? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty God. I hope you are fully aware of the present hazardous situation in the world. COVID-19 coronavirus has severely attacked in the world. So the Ministry of Education of the government has given us instruction to take online class. So we have decided to take online class for thinking the betterment of you, dear students. Before entering the class, I would like to introduce myself with you. I am Narayan Chandra Rai, Assistant Teacher English, Halia Vinod Bihari High School, Bhotiagata, Khulna. Let us start now, dear students. Today I will teach a class on tense and its classification. Dear students, can you tell me the definition of tense? Yes, dear students, you are right. Tense denotes the time of action of a verb. Beside English, I will tell you in Bengali. অর্থাৎ টেন্স বলতে আমরা ভার্ব বা ক্রিয়া সম্পন্ন বা নিষ্পন্ন হওয়ার সময়কে বুঝে থাকি। There are three kinds of tense such as present tense, past tense and future tense. Serially, I will describe present tense, its structure and example, past tense, its structure and example, and future tense is structure and example. Firstly, present tense. Present tense indicates an action that takes place in the present time. How can we identify it? Dear students, at the end of the sentence, you can see the Bengali letter Roshoi, Antosta, A, N, etc. Now, dear students, I will tell you the structure. Subject plus V1 plus object. I eat rice. Students, here I is subject, eat V1, rice object. Next, past tense. Past tense indicates an action completed in the past form, past time. Dear students, you can easily identify past tense অর্থাৎ at the end of the verb you can see the Bengali letter lo. Structure subject plus V2 plus object. I ate rice. Dear students, here I subject, ate V2 I mean past form, rice object. Now I will describe future tense. Future tense is used when an action will be done or will happen in future. Firstly, I will tell you how can we identify this sentence is future tense. Dear students, at the end of the verb you can see the Bengali letter bo. So dear students, now follow to the blackboard. I will tell you the structure. Subject plus shall will plus V1 plus object. Example, I shall eat rice. Here I subject, shall eat V1 object. Dear students, you know there are 4 forms of each tenses. I mean there are 4 kinds or 4 forms of each tenses. Present tense, past tense, future tense. অর্থাৎ প্রত্যেকটা টেন্সের আবার 4টে করে ফর্ম বা রূপ আছে। Today I will describe the 4 forms of present tense. First, I will describe present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense denotes an action in the present time or habitual truth or habitual fact or eternal truth. অর্থাৎ বর্তমান সময় কোনো কাজ হয় বা হয়ে থাকে এরূপ বুঝালে আর কালকে বলা হবে প্রেজেন্ট টেন্স। How can we identify this tense is present indefinite tense? Dear students, at the end of the verb you can see the Bengali letter রস্বই অন্তস্থা a, n, etc. Structure: subject plus V1 plus object. Example: I write a letter. Here I subject, write V1, I mean present form, a letter object. Next, present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used when an action is continued or going to be continued in the near future. Dear students, how can we identify this sentence is present continuous tense? At the end of the verb you can see tesi, teso, tese. Structure: subject plus auxiliary verb am, is, are plus V1 ing plus object. Example: I am writing a letter. Here I subject, am auxiliary verb, write V1 এর সঙ্গে ing যোগ, writing a letter object. Now dear students, I will describe present perfect tense. Present perfect tense, third form of present tense. Present perfect tense is used when the work has been done but its effect or result last or remain. How can we identify this sentence is present perfect tense? At the end of the sentence you can see the Bengali word asi, aso, asen. Structure: subject plus have oblique has, V3 plus object. Example: subject, I have written a letter. I have written letter. Here I subject, have auxiliary verb, written V3, I mean past form of the verb, a letter object. Now dear students, I will describe the last form of present tense, present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is used for an action which began at some time in the past and still is continuing. Dear students, how can we identify this tense is present perfect continuous tense? At the end of the sentence you can see tesi, teso, tese. Dear students, here you can see period of time and point of time. অর্থাৎ ব্যাপক সময় বোঝাতে পিরিয়ড অফ টাইম বসে এবং তার পরিবর্তে আমরা ফর লিখব, এবং নির্দিষ্ট টাইম, নির্দিষ্ট সময় বলতে এখানে সাধারণত পয়েন্ট অফ টাইম, তার পরিবর্তে এখানে বসবে সিন্স। ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, স্ট্রাকচার: সাবজেক্ট প্লাস হ্যাভ বিন, হ্যাজ বিন, V1 ing plus since for plus extension. Example, I have been writing a letter for half an hour. Subject I have been, V1 এর সঙ্গে ing যোগ অর্থাৎ writing a letter object for, here for ব্যাপক সময় অর্থাৎ পিরিয়ড অফ টাইম, সো এখানে আমরা for ব্যবহার করছি half an hour. I have been writing a letter for half an hour. So I will describe today the different kinds of present tense. If any students has any questions, I will be pleased to answer those. Finally, I would like to finish by thanking all for your attention. Be safe and stay at home.